Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. So today I'm going to unboxing the Apple Watch, which is SE 40mm. Wow, beautiful. So this is the band. I got the dark green. So let's open it. Okay, let me see what's here. These are the instructions, something. Wow, beautiful. So these are the band which it comes with it. One here and another two here. Very nice. This is the longer one. This is the shorter one. So it comes with the two sides. Alright, we're gonna leave on the side. Let's open it. Whoa. Okay. Let me open this one. Designed by Apple in California, which it means it is original. Okay, I think these are the instruction. Anyway, I don't need it. Just leave here. So here we have iWatch charger. Okay, USB 1. And this is the Bluetooth charger. Beautiful. I like it. Okay, now we're gonna unboxing the main watch. Wow, the way they pack is really amazing. Wow, nice. So this is the side button. Let's turn on the power. So this is the button of the watch. Very nice. Low battery. Okay, so let me put back the bands. So one with this hole, I think it's on the top. It's on the top like that. Then you gonna put like that. I think this is too short for me. I have to put this one. So I like this color. This is a dark green, which looks amazing for me. Just turn on, just power on your watch. Then you want to turn on your phone. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay. So just put your pin. Okay, once you open your phone, it's gonna pop up like that, and you're gonna click on the continue, and it's gonna show you setup for yourself or setup for family. I'm going to do this setup for myself. So next, what you're gonna do is it's gonna pop up this screen. You have to scan it. All right, so it's transferring all the apps and the information I have got from the phone to Apple Watch. I'm gonna wear it on the left side, so that's why just put on left, continue, and you have to agree these terms and conditions. If you want a bold text, put this way. So whatever you control on your iPhone, it's gonna show in your iWatch. So I like that way. I'm gonna turn on. See, this is small, and this is bold text. Continue. And create a password. So I'm gonna put the same password as my iPhone. Yeah guys, so this is how to process it. I hope this is helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video.